Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Joanna and we are in my creative corner. In today's video I'm gonna show you the flip through of all pages that I finished in April. I have 6 pages for you in total across 3 different books, mostly by Kirby Rosanes. It's quite a lot for me actually. April has been very busy month for me in regards to coloring. But before we start, I just wanted to say I'm sorry for the mess that you can see already on my desk. I've been working on this whip for like, I don't know, six days now, and driving me nuts. I started with putting gold acrylic paint as a base layer, and then some kind of creative anxiety kicked in and I started to color the page with whatever was on my desk. And I still have some, whip cups where I keep coloring supplies or whips from my previous months. And judging from the blues and purples and lavenders, I guess that I used some colored pencils that I used for my Pumpkin Safe Haven coloring page by Johanna Basport, where I used the Golden Hour of Change color palette. Okay, so this is the short story of this whip. If you are curious how this page will turn out, please subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Starting with the Yeti page from Mythomorphia by Kirby Rosanes. I did this page using the Foggy Nights color palette from my Spooky bundle, and it is the page where it was last time when I used my white Posca, and then it just ran dry after doing all these snowflakes. And actually it was also the moment when I started to rethink again how I purchase coloring supplies, and I'm shifting toward more sustainable approach that brings me actually more creative joy and happiness. So I switched from Posca to acrylic paints and a regular brush, which I totally do not know how to use, so I'm learning still, but it brings me more joy and satisfaction when the piece is actually finished when using white Posca. Okay, so this is the Yeti page. The same book, I also completed 2 other pages that depict different forest spirits, the phone page and the Dryada page. I used the same color palette for these characters, the Enchanted Forest color palette, and what is really fun for me is that this color palette is really earthy, like smells like forest, like moss, like leaves, and it's rather cool in terms of temperature. And paradoxically, to me, these characters turned out quite hot looking. I don't know if you share my perception or not. Please leave a comment in the comment section below to let me know if it's only my weirdo fantasy, or maybe you can, sense it too. But yeah, I really love both pages, both phone and Dryada page. I think they are really playful, kind of mysterious, but really fun looking. In April I also colored the Stroll page, which I truly love and really enjoyed. And it is the first page where I actually started to use acrylic paint with a brush, so it was kind of challenging but still fun. And what I really love about this page is this dark blue that you can see here on the horizon. It is done with metallic oil pastels from Mungyo. They are kind of water soluble. I know it sounds weird, like oil pastels and water soluble, but what is this? And yes, this shade really gives a vibe of a storm coming and some curse about to break loose. So I'm really happy with this page, although the brushwork is really far from perfect, but it was, still fun. And lastly, I did 2 pages in Magical Worlds by Johanna Basford. I did this moth page, which paradoxically is a really light-hearted piece with all these fresh greeneries and shimmering gold. Oh, okay. I really enjoyed doing this page. It was, such a relaxing time. And I also did this page, which stressed the hell out of me because I saw so many beautiful versions of this page already online, and I didn't want to spoil it. And on the other hand, I also didn't wanted this page to be different than all the pages that I saw. I didn't want to give a page the Pandora vibe, like Pandora. I wanted to give it more unique vibe, so I went with Rainbow Vision color palette from my Trippy bundle, and here it is. I'm really happy with the result. I'm really happy with the experiments that I did while coloring this page, and as most of my pages, it's far from perfect, but I enjoyed the process, and I find it the most important in coloring, that you enjoy what you are doing, and even though there are some, misperfections along the way, I try to embrace them to have fun, simply. Okay, that's all I have for you today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you are wondering how I colored these pages, I have kind of tutorials for most of them. If you feel inspired or nudged to try something new after watching my videos, please consider giving it a like and liking and subscribing to my channel. It really helps me to grow. And that being said, I wanted to thank to all my subscribers that helped me to reach the 1000 subscribers milestone. It truly means a lot to me. I'm so happy. I really do not know how to express it, but I'm truly happy that we managed to do it. As I promised already in one of my posts earlier, once the monetization will kick in from YouTube, and I'm still missing about 1500 watch hours, but once the monetization kicks in, I will start to save up money for some, decent lighting system, so you can always see the color rights and there are no shadows when I'm filming, like now. Okay. Thank you for watching again, and until next time. Bye bye.